4-year-old student dies after being locked up in a teacher's car. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV, people. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. It will be greatly appreciated, people. And also, please remember to turn on your post notification bell. Do whatever you have to do to get notified whenever I post a video. So viewers and subscribers, we always hear about people in America leaving child and forgetting their children in vehicle, and somehow hours later when they went to pick up something or do something, they find child unconscious. This has been happening in the Caribbean very often nowadays, people. Just I think last month, a detective constable left his child in the car because it wasn't a routine he was used to. You know, normally grandmother has the baby and he had to drop the baby at daycare and he forgot the baby in the car. So this has happened again in Jamaica. This time a 4-year-old, people. Yes, you heard that correctly. And as I said, this happened in Jamaica. And I'm getting this article from the Jamaica Gleaner, where it goes on to say educators and students at Destowe Bennett Basic School in Rollington Town are in mourning following the death of a 4-year-old student who was left in a car on Thursday. It is alleged that a teacher carried a group of students to the school, but the child, Jordane Clarke, did not get out of the vehicle. Later in the day, the teacher reportedly went back to the car and discovered the unconscious child. Clarke was taken to the Bustamante Hospital for Children and was pronounced dead. Superintendent Tommy Lee Chambers, who commands the Kingston Eastern Police Division, confirmed the child's death to the Gleaner and said an investigation has been launched. The child was taken to school by the teacher, and it seems as if everyone got out of the car and did not remember or figured more or less that the child had gotten out of the car. My detective has taken over the investigation, she told the Gleaner. Last month, a policeman in St. Elizabeth left his 1-year-old daughter in the car. And as I was saying, people, about this policeman in Jamaica, but it's happened again. I don't know, people. It's just very sad that this 4-year-old had to lose his life, like in this manner. Like, to me, if you carry kids in a car, if it's a car, how much children can fit in a car? That, you know, remember to make sure everybody is out of the car, double, triple checking that nobody no left. They have to have some sort of method. They have to have something in place, people. Them can't just pick up picnic and just when them reach school, think say everybody come out of the car. You see me? Very, very sad and unfortunate, people. Very, very sad. And at no point them not realize that this child is not at school. Like, I don't know, it just seem like, I don't know. It's just very horrific that this had to happen. So people, I'm going to play you a video of the father and also the grandfather of this young 4-year-old that passed away. And this is what they had to say. And I'm getting all this from the Jamaica Gleaner, people. All right? Check out the videos, them. All right, people?
I can't sleep, I can't stop thinking about my son. I never expect me to live to see that day. Never expect. And my son full of sense. My son is a very smart little boy. Nothing of them say cannot add up. But oh, my son dead. Nothing at all. I know I'm not see the teacher and I'd have to talk to the teacher. No.
Was it the first time she was carrying your son?
No, here's the second or the third time.
Is it somebody who you know personally?
No, me don't know her. My son, him live with his mother. So the teacher got pick him up at his mother's house. Because him go to school over by his mother's side. And she go pick him up. Fear story with them say, because I no hear fear story, I no see she. With them say she say is that she left him nice and forget. She left him in the car and forget him. How that makes sense? If you carry more than one picnic at school and you teach the picnic them, or you gonna left one picnic in the car and you carry him to school, and when him dead when school over, you gonna find out say this little boy never attend PE class and he's a 4-year-old child.
So it's not a case of abuse or anything. She forgot the child in the car.
Obviously, I'm not over there, so I don't really know. But to it look, it's like I forgot the child in the car.
Right now, something is wrong. Something is definitely wrong. Not care what excuse or argument she giving. Something is wrong. Definitely something is wrong. You understand? You are a teacher. The child is sitting in front of you, right? You took his lunch money, right? You're supposed to have his name because once you take his lunch money, you're supposed to have his name down for lunch, right? And you go there and you order the lunch and you don't realize that Jordane Clarke is not there. No, something is definitely wrong. Something is wrong. My belief is that is a child, you know, he don't really love to talk, you know. So not more than she could have talked to him more time and him leave no answer whatever. She get ignorant, right? And say, alright, you stay back in the car. Like you don't have any manners or whatever. You understand? And forget. You understand? Because how can you ever say you thought him was on the playfield playing at class time? Women out they were playing with and it's class time. That is rubbish.
Do you remember the last interaction you had with Jordane?
It was last week Tuesday because normally I don't come here on a weekday. I normally like come on a Sunday because through the work I have to be working like day and night. So the only time I really have is on a Sunday. And I don't know, I might just say, yeah, hear me, now go over there and get some food and cook some nice food for me and my little family and think that was the last time Tuesday I see them. See them there 1 year and hard me at work and me never come here on a weekday. Never. You understand? And a spirit just say, come here, come look for some nice little food for them and thing and whatever. The last time I see my grandson.
I can't imagine what the family is like.
I tell you, man, when I sleep none at all, beer crying in the morning. You understand? I'm like a 4-year-old baby. No, but the fact of the matter is, you know, you're supposed to call us and try to find out.
Will you explain the condition that the mother was in?
Well, she was in shock. She couldn't even talk. You understand? The only thing what she could have done last night, I give me a hug and say, my daughter, just take it easy. You understand? And this morning, she over her boyfriend and thing, and she run out. So she got to kill herself. She got to run out now, can run him off, run her down. You understand? She take it to heart because it's her only child and the father and the two of them first picnic. The only picnic the two of them have. You understand? When she's pregnant and thing and I go to school, like she was about to leave. You understand? And I say, yourself what? You carry your child. The greatest thing that you saw me out school. You understand? Bring your child. And I tell you, she bring a lovely, pretty, nice little grandson. I love me, I tell you, I love him till he go bad. You understand? And see them gone. He missing out of the family, out of everybody there. I'm the only one missing right now.